Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send an ACH transfer with Wells Fargo in 2025. If you're looking to move money securely and efficiently between accounts, this is your go-to guide. ACH transfers are a staple for bill payments, refunds, or sending cash to family. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Wells Fargo app or website ready. In 2025, Wells Fargo has streamlined their interface for even faster transactions, so log in using your secure credentials. If you're on the app, tap the Transfers icon at the bottom. On the website, head to the main menu and select Transfers and Payments. Once you're there, look for the ACH transfer option. It's usually highlighted for quick access. You'll need to enter the recipient's details, like their bank's routing number and account number. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups. A simple typo could delay your transfer. Next, input the amount you want to send and choose when it should process. Wells Fargo now offers same-day options in 2025, but remember, standard ACH transfers can take 1 to 3 business days. Hit Review to see a summary of your transaction, and don't skip the security step. Use your PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition to confirm. Before you finalize, keep an eye out for any fees. In 2025, Wells Fargo might waive them for certain accounts, so check your settings. Once confirmed, you're all set. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. There you have it. That's how to send an ACH transfer with Wells Fargo in 2025. It's straightforward, safe, and saves time. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.